Anybody already created a cloud account? Okay. From here we can create the cloud account. So as I explained in the yesterday, so once we log in to access the cloud workspace, cloud URL, so there will be two buttons here: start for free and sign into Oracle Cloud account. So this one we can use once the account is created. Then from here we can able to create the new account. So here we need to select our account information. So our country and first name, last name, email, then and verification email will send to the account. So as I already have an account, so it will not allow to create another account with the same email. So for that purpose, so what I will do, I will just go through this screen. So you can go through this screen, and if you have any difficulty, you can let me know, so that I will help you to create for your account. So today here I will directly, as I already have an account, so I will log into that account and I will show how we can create the new database and how we can set up Oracle Apex in that database in the cloud environment. So once I click on that sign into cloud, so here we need to provide the cloud account name. So from where we will get this cloud account name? So while registering for cloud account, so it will ask for the cloud account name. So that will be our choice. So this is my cloud account name. Click on next. Then here just accept the identity domain as default one. So here it will again show the our cloud account name and tenancy. Then here we need to put our username and password. Then click on the sign in button. Yeah. So here for this cloud account, MAPay is activated. So here we have a mobile application called Oracle Authenticator, just like Google or Microsoft Authenticator. So here it sent a notification to my mobile. So from that mobile, I need to allow the login permission. Then only here I can able to log in. Yeah. So this is my cloud account. So here we can able to see the region or region which we have selected at the time of registration. So it is better always we need to select the region near to our location, so that data access and everything, it will be faster. Then once we access this cloud account, so below we can see always free eligible services. Then first thing we need to have an database here. Then from that database we need to set up Oracle Apex. So for that purpose, just click on create an ATP database. Then it will provide the it will ask for some basic information about the compartment and database display name, database actual name, and a few details about the database. So here I will provide the database. This one compartment is already there in my cloud account. So I will just go with the actual one, the default one. Then this is the database name. So here it will not allow the special characters. So workload type, just accept the default one, transaction processing. Then here the deployment type. So as we are requesting for an free ATP, so it will be by default selected, and other deployment type. So we are not able to select that. So once we have upgraded to paid version, we are able to select that one. And here this is always free up to that. So we have an option to select the database version. So here by default it will be the latest version of the database. Then here we need to set admin username and password for the database. It is like DBA, username and password for the database. Then here network access. So just accept the defaultly selected one. Don't need to change anything there. So here we can provide the email address, so that if there is any notifications or announcement, so they will send to this email. So that is optional. We can skip that thing. Then we can click on the create autonomous database button. Yeah. So after that, it will take some time to provision the database. Here we can see the status of the database creation. Then from here, we can able to see it is providing some hint about the buttons and everything. So from here, we can able to perform more tasks about the database administration task, like restarting the DB or shutdowning the DB or renaming database or password reset, those kind of things we can able to perform from this screen. It will take some minute, some time to set up the database. Just to refresh again. Then here we have some tool configurations. So with this free database, there is some free tools also. From this tab, we can able to configure those tools. Yeah. So these are the tools automatically they are enabled. So when we create the database from the cloud account, so for example, Oracle Apex. So this is also enabled and which is free. So we can able to access that thing, and database actions, Graph Studio, machine learning, user interface, and data transforms, and web access to ORDS, MongoDB APIs. So those are the things and tools they are automatically enabled when we request for an ATP database. This one is taking more than usual time. So we will wait a couple of minutes to finish that one. Yes, can you hear me? There is one message from Mubin, so she is not able to hear me.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, okay. Mubin, are you still able to still have issue?
No, no, Vijay. I'm able to hear you.
Okay. And also there is an restriction, so we can request only two database from the free cloud account. So until this one is finished, so I already have another cloud database. So that is already available. I have created it previously. So we will wait this one to finish, but I will show you how we can access the database from the other available database, Oracle Apex tools. Yeah, so this one is also available. So we will navigate to that thing. Again, suppose how we can access this one. Once we log into the cloud account, navigate to the ATP. So this will be available under Autonomous Database tab. So just click on that newly created database. Yeah, from this one, we can able to access the REST APIs and database users. We can able to see and create the database users. Then from here, we can able to get the database connectivity credentials. So for example, assume that we want to connect this database using SQL Plus or SQL developer tool or Toad or PLSQL developer. So from here, we can able to download the credentials. Then from here, we can able to see the performance hub. So suppose if any queries is run on that database, so we are able to monitor those queries from this screen. So this is more about a DBA or the admin who is handling the cloud account, right? So they will take care of this thing. Yeah. So this is from here, we can stop the database, we can restart the database or create actual clone of the current database. We can perform from here. Then coming to Oracle.